My dear listener, if you ever wondered about guardian angels, this video is a must-watch. It shares something important but unsettling about your safety. It turns out your home, which should be your safest place, has a secret CCTV camera someone placed without you knowing. This video is here to inform you, not just scare you. Being aware means you can act to protect yourself. And remember, you're not alone. Your guardian angels are looking out for you and have sent you a crucial message. They want you to know that someone put this camera in your home with bad intentions. We'll explain everything clearly as you watch until the end. Finding out about this camera was a shock. It recorded things without your okay, and now that video is out of your hands. This is a serious betrayal and a huge violation of your trust. You might feel scared and confused at first, wondering how this happened, who did it, and why they targeted you. Such a breach is deeply upsetting, but being informed is the first step toward taking back your safety and privacy. However, even amidst this turmoil, there is a vital truth to hold on to. Do not be afraid. The harm intended by this invasion will not last. Those who sought to hurt you with their actions will not find success. The universe is aware of their malicious intentions and will not allow them to triumph over you. It's important to stay resilient, even if it feels like the whole world is scrutinizing you and you have the urge to retreat. This situation, as distressing as it is, does not define who you are. You are not solely defined by this breach, the video footage, the opinions of others, or the malicious acts of a few individuals. Instead, this is a moment to affirm your inner strength and your ability to overcome adversity. Finding out that someone secretly installed a CCTV camera in your home can be really unsettling and frightening. Your home is meant to be your sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and be yourself without worries. But discovering such a breach can make it feel like even the walls around you have betrayed your trust. The shock of this violation is immense, making it difficult to breathe, think clearly, or fully understand the severity of what has happened. You might find yourself overwhelmed with a mix of emotions such as anger, embarrassment, and fear, all swirling inside you as you consider the possible impacts on your life, your reputation, and your career. It's natural to fear how others might perceive you now, or to be anxious about false narratives that could emerge from the footage captured without your consent. The thought of people whispering behind your back or looking at you differently can be truly daunting. Keep in mind that no one can control how you respond to this challenge. You have the power to rise above it and not let it overshadow your essence. You are much more than a moment of vulnerability. You are a person of worth, character, and resilience. Now is the time to draw on your strengths and the support of those who truly know and love you, those who will see beyond the situation and stand by you. Embrace the support of your friends and family, who will help reinforce the truth and help you through this tough time. Let their love and belief in you remind you that you are valued far beyond the reaches of any intrusion. As you move forward, remember that the narrative of your life is yours to write. This incident, while painful, is just a single chapter in a much larger story filled with many more chapters of success, happiness, and security. In summary, don't let this incident instill fear in you or dictate your future. No external force can diminish your true worth or the path you choose to walk. The universe, with its balancing forces, will handle those who do wrong, and karma will see to it that justice is served. Keep your head high and trust that you are never alone in facing life's challenges. The strength you gather now and the lessons you learn will only add to your resilience and prepare you for a brighter, more secure future. Finding out that someone secretly installed a CCTV camera in your home to sabotage your reputation can be deeply unsettling. This act of invasion is likely fueled by jealousy over your success or the confidence with which you navigate life's challenges. It's hard for some people to see others thriving, leading them to take harmful actions in hopes of bringing them down. However, their plan to disrupt your life won't succeed as they imagined. Instead of breaking your spirit, this challenging situation will fortify your strength. This breach could initially make you feel isolated, yet it will ultimately reveal who your genuine supporters are, those who stand by you when things get tough. Instead of diminishing your spirit, it will endow you with even greater resilience. It's important to understand that individuals who engage in such harmful behaviors are often battling their own internal conflicts. Embrace this as an opportunity to reinforce your personal boundaries and to reaffirm your values. It's a time to reassess who you trust and to strengthen your privacy measures, ensuring that your personal space remains sacred and secure. Moreover, this event serves as a reminder of your resilience. You've faced adversity before, and just like those times, you have the capability to rise above the challenges and emerge stronger. Engage with your support network, family, friends, and perhaps professionals who can provide advice on securing your home and legal recourse. Their guidance and support will be invaluable as you navigate this situation. Additionally, focus on the positives that remain intact: your talents, achievements, and the respect of those who truly know you. These are the pillars of your character that no one can tarnish. Continue to invest in your personal growth and well-being. Activities that foster a positive outlook and build emotional strength will be particularly beneficial during this time. Remember, you are more than this moment of violation. You are a person of worth and integrity, and you will not be defined by the malicious intentions of others. Keep moving forward with your head held high, confident in the knowledge that you are capable of overcoming this and any other challenge that comes your way. Your journey is far from over. It is filled with potential and promise. And this experience is just one part of a much larger story of success and fulfillment. What others say can't really hurt you unless you let it. The people who truly care about you, who love and respect you, won't listen to rumors or mean talk. They'll stand by you and see you for who you really are, not some false image someone else tried to paint. This tough time you're going through, it's actually a test. Can you trust yourself? Do you believe in your own strength? The universe is telling you that this isn't the end of your story. It's not even a big setback. It's just a brief moment, one that will pass like a storm. When it's over, you'll still be standing, even stronger than before. Take a deep breath. Don't let fear take over. You're not alone in this. You're protected. The bad vibes from this situation are already starting to clear up. The truth has a way of coming out, no matter how much someone tries to hide it. And the universe will make sure that the truth comes out on top. You are so much more than this moment. You're more than the rumors, more than the bad intentions of those who want to bring you down. You're full of light, strength, and the ability to bounce back. You will get through this. And when you look back, you'll see that this challenge didn't break you, it made you even stronger. Don't be scared. Don't let this situation overwhelm you. Hold on to your faith and your strength, knowing that nothing bad will reach you. The universe has your back, now and always. Trust in that protection. Trust in yourself, and keep moving forward. Your journey is far from over. It's just getting started.